Welcome to the Shady Place. In this episode, we see Lake Superior for the first time and hunt the beach for Yooperlite stones. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Floretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
You ready to see Lake Superior? Are you ready to see Lake Superior? I am! So one of the main reasons why I want to be here is I am looking for a Yooperlite. It's supposed to be just normal rock, but when you take a UV light or a black light over it, it's supposed to glow. I hope we find one. I think we're gonna stay here tonight. Nice little trail. The lake is right there.
Try it out, see what happens.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go down there really quick. Wow. This is a huge lake. That's why they call it Lake Superior. We have the whole beach to ourselves. Oh my god. Oh my god, and look at all of the stones. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. You see all these rocks here? One of these bad boys is a dragon egg or a Yooperlite stone. Oh my god, I cannot wait to come out here at night. Thank you so much, Shay, for bringing me here. Now we wait. I need the sun to go down, and then we're gonna go out there and hopefully find some good luck. Excited. You excited, Shay?
Super duper.
Oh, you need a rest. That was a long drive.
Yeah.
Your face is burnt.
Yeah, it was sunny.
Yeah.
Only the left side of my face.
Yeah. It's raining. Damn it. Hopefully it'll pass.
12 o'clock midnight.
Okay, so the storm has passed. I got my headlight on, and I got my UV light. Let's go try to find some stones.
Later.
I think we found one! Oh my god! Right on!
Nice. Good size?
It is a good size. A dragon egg! Oh my god! Dude! Alright, y'all. We're heading back to Floretta. Be with you shortly. Alright, there she is. Good morning. Last night was fun. It took a long time to find those rocks, though, I tell you what.
We interrupt this program to bring you
The Shady Place tees. They come in green, light blue, and tan. Do you want to support us and help make these videos? Then send us an email at arustyshadyplace@gmail.com to order yours now.
So we're pretty much just gonna hang out at the lake today. We're not really gonna do anything. We kind of, tried to get here, and now we're just gonna straight chill and enjoy Lake Superior for a while. We'll probably stay here one more night. Shay's beat. We were up till like 3 o'clock in the morning last night. It was cool though, finding one of those.
3 hours walking around on the beach.
Yeah. One rock.
The next
Yay! Yesterday was nice. We literally didn't do anything but just be couch potatoes. We just rested the entire day. But today we're going to be leaving Lake Superior. Honestly, we don't know where we're going. We don't have any service, so we're pretty much just going to drive until we get some service and then figure it out. I had a really good time here. The flies were pretty bad. I'm not going to lie. The flies were pretty bad. They were like probably like 200 all over Thoretta. Oh my god. Ooh. It's so windy here. I guess they were using her as a shield, but yeah, there were a lot of flies. We even fed a spider too.
Have a good one.
Bye!